Hey everybody, it's Kenny Conklin from HobbyLink International and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Model of the Year 2020 contest and the new rule change that we have going on. If you're not familiar with the MODI contest that we hold, it's the Model of the Year contest. We have a bunch of categories. You register at the site, put your models in, get them to me, and we put them in the categories, and at the end of the year we vote on them. We have our category winners, and then out of the category winners we have our first, second, and third prize winners. But we're doing a little bit of a change on the rules this year, because how the rule was is you had to build the model within the year, so it would have had to be built in 2020 to be eligible for the 2020 contest. I don't think it's enough time for you guys to build and get it into the contest. So how I'm going to change the rule is that any model that you've built in the past 2 years, so anything you build 2020 plus the prior 2 years, 2019 and 2018, are eligible to be in the contest. But how they're eligible is you have to prove that they were built in 2018 and 2019. So how are you going to prove that? You're either going to have a Facebook photo album that'll have the date on it, Instagram photos, those have the dates on them, or if you have a YouTube video series that have the dates on them, Flickr, Pinterest, wherever you may have started that build where you can show you started it and you went through that build, those will all be eligible. This way we can get more builds into the contest, because with the short amount of time to build, there's only going to be like 10 or 15 builds, and we have a ton of categories. So this year actually the MODI contest is opened up to everything: civilian, military, sci-fi, horror, Star Trek, Battlestar Galactica, Star Wars, you know, German tanks, American tanks, everything's in there. So if you're interested and you're not sure about what the rules are, in the description below will be a link to the rules, a link to the site, and a link to the community. And then if you have any questions, you can always just contact me at hobbylinkinternational@gmail.com, and that'll be in the description below too. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you guys come and check out the site. And if you have any questions, as always, just get a hold of me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day, everybody. Take care and bye-bye.